Plate number 54, the shamefaced one. This plate shows a particularly vulgar side of Goya's critical commentary, as ugliness and humiliation characterize the scene of the shamefaced one. Goya sheds light on a central character content to steal food from a powerless beggar. As the Prado text states, you can see that the face of the central figure emerges through the crotch of his pants as though it is the most indecent part of his whole body. This interpretation is pointing to an obvious pun on the man keeping his hunger in his pants where it can't be seen, and further shows Goya's opinion about those whose actions are crude and improper. Here, the artist explores the theme of sexual thievery by equating a man's shameful act with his lust. By designing so foul an image, what does this tell you about Goya's idea of human weakness? Look for other pieces showing moral weakness and sexual urges, and consider what the artist is saying about society in his day that may be relevant today.